Hello everyone, Vanda of Raw and Well here with this week's fruit haul. And here we go. Let me show you what I got this week. Let's start with Detweilers, which again is a local Amish farm stand kind of thing. And I love going there because they have a lot of local goodies. All right. So, persimmons, they're in season. These are the ones that we love. They're like apple persimmons. They're the flat ones. So, I got, these were $2.99 a pound. And I got 8 of them. Then our favorite is still in season. Let me get my scissors. I need them. All right. We got some dragon fruit. 2 of them are green, and she thought it was a different kind, go figure. But she ended up calling the manager because she didn't take my word for it, which is fine. But we wasted some time and there was a big line. So, yellow dragon fruit, not the cheapest, but $4.99 a pound. I got 8 of them. That'll get us through the next few days. All right. That's that. Then, because you guys have to keep an eye out for the video that I did on the cacao fruit, but I got 2 more, and I found out it's $3.99 a pound. So I'm gonna add to, I did do a video when we opened up last week's, and I still have the beans here. These are already peeled, and these need to be peeled, and then I'll put them in the dehydrator. I'm also drying the outside, and I'm gonna make a little bowl out of this. I might put some lacquer on it. It'll be a fun little project for us. So I'm gonna put these here. Make more space on this counter because I got more goodies coming from Detweilers. I spent $86 there. This is all the stuff that I got. These were 2 for $3, so I got 6 of them. These 2 look like a different variety. They're more flat, so we'll see. We'll see. Right? All right. Now, our favorite, got us another treat. Because while they're in season, might as well go to town on these babies. So, chirimoyas. $11.99 a pound. Not so cheap, but like I said, while they're in season, we treat ourselves. So, yum yum. I'm excited for these for sure. Last week's were amazing, and I got 2 of these honeydew melons. I'm gonna take these off because they get stuck. I'm probably gonna end up with the melons. I'm probably gonna end up juicing them because I was not able to find any watermelons today. Boo-hoo. And I got 3 cantaloupes, which we love juiced. These were $2.99 each. So that's what I got from Detweiler's. Put these away so we make more room for the next batch of fruit that I got. Let's see, move these over a little bit so we don't lose any melons here. Otherwise, we'll make a big melon mess. All right, next up is Whole Foods, and the grapes were still $2.41 a pound. So I got 3 bags because we still have some from last week. I got some organic cranberries, which I'll be juicing, but I couldn't find any Honeycrisp apples, which I like with that. So I'll tell you later what I might do with those. But I'll do a video on that as well if that's what I end up doing. But I got the Honeycrisps were on sale, so I got Honeycrisps. I'm gonna put these from last week that are still not so ripe, but so I make room for this week's apples. So I got 6 Honeycrisps because we still had a little bit of apples left, and we love Honeycrisps, so these will be fun. And I got 2 bags of lemons. Yep, lemons, always have to have lemons. And 2 bags of limes because when I juice, I always end up using limes. And then I got some pears. These are, oh gosh, I forget, let me check the name of them. They're not Bosch, they're not, these are, oh, Julie somethings. Really hard to see, but they're pretty ripe already, so maybe one day out, otherwise they get mealy. And Louie likes to munch on these. So I got 6 of them. They were $1.79 a pound at Whole Foods. These green mangoes, tangos, I love these. They're amazing. They were 2 for $8, so not bad. But we split one of those and then a couple of the little ones. Right, what else? Here we have from Walmart. No, this was from, yes, Walmart. So I got 2 nice big pomelos. These are like grapefruits, but they're super sweet. I got 2 pineapples from Costa Rica. And this is what I'm thinking that I'm gonna juice these 2 together. And I have some oranges in the refrigerator, so I'll use those up. So, yeah, pineapple and cranberry because I couldn't find apples. And then I got 2 things of bananas. You know how I have to always take this silliness off because I don't like it. So 2 things of bananas. I ended up yesterday, I froze some, which I was completely out because of the whole shortage of food. So basically did some heavy banana shopping, and I got to freeze some yesterday, and I'm hoping to freeze some again this week. And then I got some rambutans. You guys know what these are. Amazing yummies. So we'll be having some nice fruit for breakfast this week, and I will be sharing that with you all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for seeing what we're getting each week that we're sharing with you, what's in season here in Southwest Florida. With that, much love to you all.